In the rush of modern life, many people are searching for natural ways to slow down, ways to manage stress, sleep better, and reconnect with themselves. One unexpected but deeply effective solution: bath meditation. Blending the physical relaxation of a warm bath with the mental clarity of mindfulness, bath meditation offers a simple and powerful way to calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and create stillness, even in a busy life. In this video, we'll explore the science, the global roots, and the step-by-step guide to starting your own bath meditation ritual at home. Whether you're new to meditation or simply craving a peaceful evening routine, this might be the gentle reset your body and mind need. The practice of healing through bathing is not new. Across cultures and centuries, water has been used not just to cleanse, but to restore. In ancient Rome, elaborate public bathhouses were places of gathering, healing, and quiet reflection. In Japan, onsens, natural hot springs, have been used for thousands of years for physical recovery and spiritual renewal. Even today, many Japanese travelers seek out these springs to find calm and reset their energy. In Finland, Russia, and Hungary, steam baths and hot water soaks are part of wellness culture, known to enhance circulation and relieve stress. And in India, the Ayurvedic Abhyanga bath combines warm oil massage with intentional breathing and meditation, improving circulation and balancing the body's energy. These traditions remind us that water can be much more than comfort. It can be part of a powerful self-care practice. So what exactly is bath meditation? It's the intentional act of combining mindfulness meditation, the practice of focusing on the present moment, with the physical act of soaking in a warm bath, and research supports its power. Warm water soothes tired muscles and relaxes the body. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest state. It helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and studies have even shown that hot baths may relieve symptoms of depression as effectively as physical exercise. It's a reset for both mind and body. Here's how to create your own bath meditation ritual at home. Step 1. Set the atmosphere. Begin by creating a calm space. Dim the lights or light a few candles. Choose a calming playlist or open a guided meditation app like BetterSleep. Step 2. Prepare your bath. Fill your tub with warm water. Not too hot, just enough to feel comforting. Add in elements that relax the senses. A scoop of Epsom salts, a few drops of essential oils like lavender, ylang-ylang, or chamomile. A bath bomb with gentle, natural scents. Step 3. Eliminate distractions. Leave your phone outside the room or place it on Do Not Disturb. Let others in your home know you need 30 minutes to yourself. This is your time to be fully present. Step 4. Add nourishing touches. Bring a cool glass of lemon water or a calming herbal tea. Have a face mask or body oil ready if you want to enhance the spa-like experience. Now the meditation begins. Once you're in the bath, gently close your eyes. Take a long, deep breath in and out. Feel the water supporting your body. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and your hands soften. Notice the warmth as it seeps into your muscles. This is your time to be still. Let's explore some meditation techniques you can use in the bath. Mindfulness meditation. Focus on your breath. Observe the sensations, the water on your skin, the sound of bubbles, the scent of the oils. When your mind wanders, gently return your attention to the present. Guided meditation. Let a recorded voice guide you through breathwork or a calming visualization. Apps like BetterSleep offer bath time-specific meditations designed to help you unwind. Loving kindness meditation. Silently repeat phrases like, "May I be safe," "May I be calm," "May I be well." Then extend those wishes to loved ones, or even to those causing you stress. This cultivates compassion and emotional softness. Visualization meditation. Picture a peaceful place, a forest, an ocean shore, a sunlit garden. Imagine yourself there. Feel the breeze, hear the sounds, immerse fully. Body scan meditation. Starting from your toes, bring gentle awareness to each part of your body. As you mentally scan upward, release any tension you discover. This promotes both body awareness and emotional grounding. You might be wondering, what's the best temperature for a bath meditation? Some say cold water is stimulating. It wakes up the nervous system and sharpens focus. It's often used in shower meditations or morning resets. Warm water, on the other hand, is ideal for relaxation. It helps your muscles release and prepares your body for rest. Hot water, when safe, can offer deeper muscle relief and is especially effective before bedtime. There's no one-size-fits-all. Try different temperatures and listen to your body. Your goal is comfort, not perfection. When you're ready to finish your meditation, slowly bring your awareness back. Take a few deep breaths. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes. Wrap yourself in a warm towel or robe. Take a few moments to reflect. You might even write in a journal. Note how you feel, what thoughts came up, or what you're grateful for. This final step helps the calm stay with you long after you've left the bath. Let's recap the many benefits of bath meditation. Lowers stress and anxiety, improves mood and sleep, relaxes sore muscles and eases tension, supports heart health and lowers blood pressure, boosts mindfulness and emotional clarity, activates the body's natural healing state. Whether practiced once a week or more often, this ritual is a gentle, nurturing way to support your mental and physical well-being. In a world that's always moving, bath meditation invites you to pause, to breathe, to feel, to return to yourself. Thank you for joining this journey. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a moment of peace. And tell us in the comments, what part of the bath meditation ritual are you most excited to try? Until next time, may your mind be still, your body be nourished, and your spirit be calm.